Unfolding the meaning. Bend someone's ear, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're exploring the phrase, bend someone's ear. If you've ever heard someone say they want to bend your ear, and wondered what on earth they meant, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this phrase together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. To bend someone's ear doesn't involve any physical bending. So, no worries about any ear injuries. This phrase is actually a colorful way to say that someone is talking to another person, often for a long time, about a particular issue or topic. It's typically used when someone wants to express their thoughts, complain, or seek advice, and requires the listener's attention and patience. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can be incredibly helpful and interesting. The phrase, bend someone's ear, is believed to originate from the early 20th century. The bending part metaphorically suggests that the speaker is figuratively pulling or bending the listener's ear closer to them, to ensure their words are heard, emphasizing a one-sided conversation or a monologue rather than a dialogue. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice. Here are some examples of how you can use bend someone's ear in everyday sentences. After the meeting, Jake spent an hour bending my ear about his holiday plans. I need to bend your ear for a moment about the new project timeline. She's been bending his ear all afternoon with her wedding preparations. These examples show the phrase can be used in both professional and personal contexts, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. It's important to note that bend someone's ear is informal and somewhat colloquial. Therefore, it's best used in casual conversations or in settings where a relaxed tone is appropriate. It might not be suitable for formal documents, academic papers, or in situations where a more serious tone is required. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, bend someone's ear. We hope this video has not only bent your ear but also enriched your understanding of this intriguing English idiom. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery, and each phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to bending your ear with more English language insights in our next video. Happy learning!